Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include towing package, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2011 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.